your destination. The destination is to the right.
Hey guys, welcome to our very first house tour. We finally did it. We bought our first home. It's a 1930 semi-detached house, which means we have neighbors on one side, but the best part is no neighbors behind us, just a small park. Finding the key is step one. And here comes my husband to save the day. Look at us, entering our new home like a just married couple. Except we have been married for 5 years. The conservatory is spacious and bright, which is a win. At least we have got direct access to the garden, so that's the plus. Through the living room, which is a great size, we're going on to the kitchen, one of my favorite spaces in the house. It's a good size and it even has a pantry, something I always wanted. Two windows bringing plenty of natural light, which is exactly what you need when you're cooking. The furniture are out of date, but I can use it for now. It isn't that bad. Alright, let's head upstairs. The hallway was covered in the worst smelliest carpet ever. That's definitely going ASAP. Here we have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. First up, the medium sized room. And guess what? We found a perfect good TV left behind. Would be a nice bonus if actually work, but hey, we will see. The room has a nice view, but the windows, oh yeah, not great. Most of them are drafty, unfortunately. Moving on, we check the flooring and surprisingly it's solid wood in great condition. That's the huge money saver. However, the hallway, not so lucky. Someone replaced the wooden floor with cheap option and it has mysterious stain there, so that makes me a little bit nervous, but well, it is what it is. At first glance, the bathroom looks alright, but of course, we found issues a leaking toilet and sink. Classic, right? Big plans for the space, but for now, it's livable. Next, the smallest room. Right now, it's a kind of built-in wardrobe, which is actually great because of we need all the storage we can get. The plan is to turn it into a dressing room since the size is pretty limited. So that's our plan. And again, wooden floor, which we are very lucky. Finally, the main bedroom, spacious with a nice view. And of course, the same window problem as the rest of the house. Most of them they don't open, but Wojtek somehow managed to get them unstuck, luckily. And one last look around, bedrooms, checking off what we need to be done. Follows Wojciech's suggestion, let's go downstairs. Okay, it's a time to start moving our stuff in, finally. The house is officially ours, and we are now surrounded by piles of boxes, furniture pieces, and of course, our lovely dog Ronnie. Oh, I love him so much. Right now, the living room is a complete mess, but I managed to set up my desk for work on Monday. Yippee! The conservatory is officially our TV room, a cozy spot where we can have a cup of tea, watch movies, and relax. And just outside, you can see our small garden, which I know will be amazing at some point. No idea when, but that's the goal. And we are upstairs again. Much more messy, but much more happier. So the bathroom gave us a welcome surprise, and actually toilet is broken at the moment. It's plenty to do even if not looks like. Piles of stuff everywhere, and guess what? There's exactly one wardrobe in the entire house and it's empty. Classic. In our bedroom, we set up mattress and dog bed, keeping it simple for now. But before I wrap this up, I gotta show you our first big discovery. While ripping off some plaster, Wojtek found signs of an old roof leak. The good news is the roof was already replaced, so no active leaks, huge win, and we got the new roof. The bad news, they did terrible job with the plaster, so now we have to strip it all off. Fun times, right? Not really. And that's it for this first look around our new home. So much work ahead, but we're excited to make it our own. If you want to follow our renovation journey, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around.